Hey, it's Adam with the Productivity Academy, and let's get into this. I'm going to show you how to create an org chart using FreeTool in less than 2 minutes. So we are going to use Google Sheets for this. If you're not familiar, you can Google Sheets, but by now I would assume most people watching this video have used or at least have heard of it. You can get there however you normally get into Google Tools, or if you have an account, you're logged in already, you can just type in sheet.new, hit enter, and away we go. All right, the way you want to set this up, or at least to get started and try it for yourself, is I like doing it like this. We're going to add some headings here. We're going to call it title, reports to, and name. This can be anything you want it to be. It doesn't have to be those words, but you'll see why this comes in handy in a minute. So let's make up a fictitious org chart. We're going to have a CEO, a CFO, and then we're going to have a virtual assistant 1, virtual assistant 2. We're going to have a security chief, if I can spell it correctly. And then we're going to have guard 1 and guard 2, just to have something quick. Now, we need to fill out who it reports to. This is where we're going to actually be kind of building the back end of this. So we're going to say, for example, the CFO reports to the CEO, so does the security chief. The CFO's VAs report, the CFO's VAs report to the CFO, and the security guards report to the security chief. So basically all we're doing is filling in who does that person report to, so we can build up that org chart. And then this is optional. This is actually going to be like a tooltip, a hover over, but you could give it a name if you want to. So I'm going to make myself the CEO for this. CFO is going to be Jenny. This is going to be Bill. This is going to be Katie. Security chief is going to be Lisa. Guard 1 is going to be Tom, and then Thomas. Why not? All right, so we've got something there. Now, all we have to do is select that. We're going to go Insert Chart. Once that pops up, we need to come over to the chart, scroll down, and click on Organizational Chart. Now, right here, we're not all the way done yet. We actually want to make sure that we're using row 1 as headers. That's these right here, which are definitely headers. So we click on that, and we have got it. We've got title, reports to, and tooltip. Okay, again, you don't have to have the tooltip. If you don't have it, that's fine. But what it looks like when you hover over it is like this. Now you can see who it is. So there's a bunch of different ways. You could use names and have the tooltip be their position. But there you go. That is a really quick way to set up an org chart very quickly using a free tool, Google Sheets. Now, you can use this as well in different areas. So if you want to then import this into Google Docs, you can do that. I will link to a video that shows on how to do that in Google Docs. You have 2 ways of doing this. You can use literally a drawing, or if you want a little bit more organized like this, especially for bigger charts, it can come in handy. You can import from Google Sheets into a Google Doc, which is really handy. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you'd like other information about this type of stuff, automation, time management, productivity, organization, you can subscribe or visit productivity.academy.